Have you ever wanted to start tomatoes from seed? Well, let me show you how. Here's what you need. One of these seed starting packs. You'll need your tomato seeds, and you will need a plant label or labels. And you're going to need seed starting mix. I'm actually going to be starting a different variety in each cell because I like to grow a variety of tomatoes. So I'm going to have a plant label for each cell. All right, let's get started. So you're going to take your pre-moistened seed starting mix and just put it in your cells. When you get it in there, kind of pack it in the very bottom, like so. Just do that for the very bottom. You want to pack it in because you're going to water it from the bottom. You want it to touch the water so it'll soak it up into the cell. Now just put the soil in your cells. So level it off like so, and then tap it down. So I like to do, make sure it's packed in decently. And if you see where it's falling down a little bit more like that, go ahead and level it off and tap it down again so it's even. Now when starting your tomatoes or any seeds, you're generally going to want to put at least 2 seeds in each cell in case one does not sprout. So here's what I do. I kind of make a little divot each corner like so. Then just place each seed, 1 seed in each divot. Just cover it with a little more of the soil, seed starting mix, and tap it down like so. Then make sure you put that label in there so you don't get the varieties confused. Always make sure you label the starting date on there. This is started on April 3rd. And then you're going to continue that same process for each cell. So I'm going to do that and show you what it looks like when I'm finished. Just notice I had the wrong label for the cell. I started this one here, Apricot Zebra, and I had the wrong label, so let me put the correct label in there. So here's my seed starting cell, all labeled, and the seeds are planted. So what you're going to do next is take a tray like this, fill it with water, and put your seed starting pack in there and let it soak up water until it's completely moist. Now you did start with pre-moistened seed starting mix, but it's not damp enough. If you don't pre-moisten your soil, it's going to be very dry and take forever to soak up water. So the next thing I'm going to do after it soaks up all the water is place it under a seed starting dome. Take that dome, place it on a seed starting mat until the seed breaks the soil. Then I'll place it under a grow light. Then it will stay under that grow light until I'm ready to bring them outside and harden them off in spring to get ready for planting. There's some other steps along the way before I do that, and I will show you those steps. If you like gardening and plant content, do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everyone.